Hey guys, Unicorn Gaming here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are playing Airplane Story. Now I know that name sounds familiar to a lot of the Robloxians who have played Roblox for many years. I know it is to me because I've played Roblox since 2018. But we are playing Airplane Story mode. Or Airplane Story, not Airplane Story mode. Which was requested by Not Afraid Woman, I believe. It was also requested by Teddy. So, Teddy, if you're watching this, thank you for the recommendation. And Not Afraid Woman, thank you as well. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So, we're going to do Gate B, because that has the most people. Oh, I'm in the back. Okay. So, yeah, we will see what happens. I don't know where we're going. I was randomly given this ticket that I found off Wish. So yeah. Oh, F11. So, I'm right here. So I'm in the 11 row, which makes sense. Because, it says here my ticket. Now obviously it's been years since I played this. Like, this game has obviously been around for many years, and it's also been very popular. Oh, captain speaking. Hello everyone, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 3502. We are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we will be arriving in no time to our destination. What is our destination? Because like I said, I bought this Clear for the airplane. Like I said, I bought this ticket off a weird website. So we'll see how this goes. Never trust random websites, but Unicorn Gaming apparently trusts a lot of weird websites, which is not a good thing. So, exploring. What is there to explore? Now, please find your seat as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. Oh god. Give me my seat. I sit right here. Oh no. Wait, what seat was she in? Oh no. Thank you for your cooperation. You're welcome. Anything else? Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody. Oh god, I hope nobody has any allergies. Anyone understand Spanish? Or whatever language she's speaking. Hello everyone, we are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy. Look how slow they're walking. That's fine. Why does my sandwich have oh, I'm not feeling very well. Wait, this sandwich has mayo. I'm allergic to mayo. Oh no, quick. We need to find my username's baggage for her medicine. I found it. I found my own bag. I found my own bag. Phew, that was a close one. I know. Such a good hero. Just so you guys are aware. Oh. Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you we've reached a stable altitude. It will be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. Okay. Guys, in real life, I'm not allergic to mayo. Just want to clarify. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go. I think this plane ticket's going to Hawaii. Not entirely sure. Oh. Oh no. It appears that we've lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. What the heck is that? Guys, look what's on the right. Guys, what is that on the right wing? My god. Is that Slender Man? Is that the monster that's hiding under my bed? You will not survive. What does that mean? Are those snacks? I think they are snakes. Hey, snakey snake. I can see you're not very well hidden. Oh, there's more. There's snacks everywhere. Oh my god, they're trying to steal. Oh, go, 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 go. I made it. Oh. This is a very interesting bathroom. Come on, guys. It shouldn't be that hard. Find the open bathroom. That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. Can I come out of the bathroom now? There's not much in this bathroom. I would like to clarify. Just saying. Okay. Oh. Power's back up. Yippee. And the snakes are gone. Thank God. I know, right? The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy. I know, right? Your attention passengers, I have good news and bad news. Oh god. What is it? The good news is the power is back up. I think we figured that part out. The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. Oxygen masks will be dropped from over your seats. Take one, quick. Oh, there you go. I took one. I like how it's barely covering up my mouth. This mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels. Oh! Oh no! So it's just me. Oh god. My god, what is this? It looks like a bomb! Oh no! What are we going to do? Why am I talking to myself? Okay, everyone. Calm down. Yeah, calm down. If we find something sharp to cut the cables, we might be able to save you my username. Let's go. I found scissors. I found a pair of Caesars. Which cable should I cut? Blue. I will cut the blue cable. Oh, thank God. We did it! Yay. I survived, guys. You should be quite proud of me. We haven't heard of the crew in a while. We should look for them and check if everything is okay. I agree. I found them. They are unconscious. We need to alert the captain. Quickly, get to the captain room. I'm going as fast as I can down these hallways. Ah. Captain, it's locked. Something is happening inside. Captain might be in trouble. Why am I talking to myself? This door needs a code. If we find it, we might be able to open it. Hurry up. I'm hurrying. Do we have to look in the doors? Where do we have to look? It's been a while since I played this game. Where is it? Oh, I found it. 7261. 7260. Ah! Don't touch me. You will pay for what you've done. How? I don't have money. You think you are here on accident, but you're not. Oh. I brought you here. Oh, so you were the man who I bought the ticket from. It's not. Now it's time to die. See you in the afterlife. What if I don't want to go to the afterlife? The captain is unconscious. The plane is falling. What are we going to do? I don't know. Push buttons. No, it's a bad idea. We need to find the autopilot button. Push all the buttons. Push all of them. Click everything and find that button before we die. Should it be like over here somewhere? No. Focus. Imagine it's like not even on this side. Oh my god. It's not on this side. Crap. I'm gonna die. Oh! I clicked all these buttons. Oh my god. That's insane. I found it. We did it. We saved the plane. Woohoo. Captain. It has been a very crazy flight. I know, right? I just want to be home already. Me too. So now what? Now all we need to do is find the emergency phone so we can call for help. I think that was back here. By where the code is. I found it. Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious. Don't worry, we will get you home in no time. Is everyone okay? Yes, we are okay. Autopilot mode is on. Okay, we've traced your location and we are taking control. Thanks. There is one last task I have for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track. Oh god. Find someone to sit on the co-pilot seat beside the captain. Well, someone's gonna have to be me. Let's see if Unicorn Gaming's good at flying. I'm coming, co-pilot seat. Oh god. Okay, everyone. I got this. I'm gonna be standing on business. Oh god. Oh, oh no! It is back! How are you still alive? Unicorn Power 607. I killed all of your friends. Well, you didn't kill my dignity. But you... There is something about you. Your energy does not let me kill you. Oh no. So sad. I'm not going anywhere with you, monster. I'm the chosen one. Okay, Harry Potter. I will come back for you. Spooky. Spooky. Spooky, spooky. I can't believe I was the only survivor. Yay, I won the chosen one and I survived. Yay. I did it. I take it. Well, I guess that's the end. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and comment down below what other video recommendations do you guys have for me. And with that, I will see you guys in my next video. Take care, guys.